away from her. Oh, this is a great story. First, Ariel fell in love with a youth. Then King Triton got all mad and told Sebastian the Crab to watch over her. Then there was lots of dancing and singing. That was fun. And then, I'll make it up. The story began when Ariel fell down.
Back in the water where it belongs. We got so much down here. There's no reason to go up there. Don't you understand, Ariel? This is where it belongs. We got to walk the lands of the even the spiritual on the way. We got to steer it. You got to hear it under the sea. Play the flute, the cup, play the harp, the bass, play the bass, and the sound, the chant, the bass, play the bass, the chant, play the drum. The flute is the flute of soul. You can play the leaves on the strings, the drum rocking out the blackfish, the sing, the spin, and the strike. They know where it's at. I know that door will go. Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day. Out in the sun they slave away. While we give walking poor time. What's this? You've down here all the fish is happy. As off through the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy. But they said goes the in the bowl. But fish in the bowl is lucky. They were something. But they went to
Alright. Poor Ariel, in love with a human. We sent her to the right place. Yes.
This one only to be thinner. That one wants to get the girl, and do I help you? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flocking to my cold arms, billions of degrees, and I help them. Yes, I do. Aluga, Sabruga, come winds of the Caspian Sea. Now Lynxus, Glossitis, Max laryngitis, now Voce to me. I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They were kidding when they called me. You find
Sha-la-la-la-la-la, in that side, they need to shake too bad. We gonna miss the girl. Hey, see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say. There's something about her. You don't know why she died.